running the jet set just to warm it up. Been sitting for a long time. I ran the main engine for a while, shut it down, and just about shut this down now. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of cleanup work everywhere to be done. And now that we've got some decent weather, up here, this all needs to be cleaned. I need to get the proper plastic to go on top of the skylight. That's another job. Need to fix the pirate flag. Okay, and then cockpit, of course, is a mess. Dinghy work. Oh, what's left of the old dinghy. Outboard's going tomorrow. Bike is tied over there to the post, safe and safe. Cart's ready for the outboard tomorrow. And look at this, my first day on Baywatch, sitting on my deck. It was sunshine. Well, it's waning. I'm gonna get a sunset. And I saw a neighbor head out. First time, it looks like it was the first time he's been out this winter, so that's awesome. Well, that's it for now.